Hello, happy self-care Sunday. We're in the studio today about to do a relaxing facial on one of my clients. She's such a great client, so I'm so excited for her treatment because we've been making progress. So I'm hoping to see some differences and just like see what's going on. I'm really excited. I hope that everybody's having a good day, and I want to do this facial video a little bit different where it's more personable and not just like relaxing music. So I hope you enjoy. If you do like it, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.
We're starting our treatment today with the Calming Cleansing Gel from Wish. This is a great cleanser for her dry skin that also has inflamed breakouts. We're going to really work this cleanser in the skin and then remove it with a warm towel and allow that warm towel to be pressed into the face so she can really embrace that warmth and relax. Going to begin to dermaplane her face. Dermaplaning is great to remove that first layer of dead skin, vellus hair, and built up oil and sebum. As you can see, we're getting lots of dead skin off and just gently gliding that surgical grade blade across her face with carefulness and care as we remove all of that buildup.
Like some of it is hair, but which of course you have vellus hair all over your face, everyone does, but like you can see the darker hair, like the kind of like brown or like maybe muddy look, that is dead skin cells. So wow.
Now we're just going to take our tool and get some of that built up oil and blackheads off of the nose, just getting some of those clogged pores, just doing a little bit of a pore clean out here. Now we are going to use the last of our Nourishing Honey masks from SkinScript. It is a really good mask for, once again, that glow, but I like to use it warmed up to just kind of soften the skin. Right here, we're going in with the Brightening Complex Hydro Jelly Mask from Estemax. I love to use a hydro jelly mask after dermaplaning with every client because it provides calming and soothing properties to the skin. So the Brightening Complex, it is to focus on, of course, brightening. So we are working towards calming the skin. I know it is a bit controversial on if these masks are actually performing or if they're just cute, but in my personal opinion, they do calm the skin after any service, and I've seen it happen many times. They're definitely great for reducing redness and inflammation, and they all have willow bark extract, which we all know is what salicylic acid is based from. This serum is actually a part of her home routine, so I'm really excited for her to start seeing results using this serum. If you've made it this far in my video, I just want to take the time to thank you so much for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy these talk through facials, leave me a comment down below so we can continue to make these, and I will see you in the next video.